At CTI, we will help you understand your place in the world and the right direction of your new career in the HVAC industry.
We are located in Mobile, Alabama on the beautiful Gulf Coast.
CTI's HVAC Fast Track program is designed for those individuals just starting out in the HVAC industry.
We also have specialty courses for those technicians already practicing out in the field.
CTI has also designed many HVAC courses to meet the in-house needs of many local HVAC companies.
We currently have a 100% job placement program for all of our graduating students. Our student financing will make it quick and easy to get started in your new career as a certified HVAC champion technician.
Our day and night classes are limited to only 10 students at a time. This is how we can ensure the one-on-one, hands-on instruction the students need to help accomplish our goals in as little as 30 days. Each student will have their own complete HVAC workstation throughout the entire program.
Well, I love the way the lab is set up.
We love the way this lab is set up.
Our lab also provides all of the major tools and equipment necessary so that upon graduation and receiving their HVAC diploma, champion technicians demand top pay because they can successfully diagnose residential and light commercial HVAC systems with minimum supervision. So don't wait. We need technicians now, not a year from now. Get started and give us a free call.